and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft tutorial. Today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different here. After having some interest in it, when I did my last city tour video, we're going to be building this Gravedigger monster truck here. So the first step is to take out a blackstone block and put 2 of them like this. Then we're going to come 6 forward, and on the 6th one come back over. Delete these 5 out of the middle, and this marks off the bottom of our tires. Leave a 3 block gap of space and put 2 more on each side. Then take blackstone stairs upside down forward facing here and here, and here and here. Turn around the other way and upside down backward facing here and here, and 2 of them here and 2 of them there. Then we're going to take out iron trapdoors. We're going to crouch in the center of this tire and put it across the upper hitbox. Delete the one on the side so it's in the middle. And keep crouching and attaching more, coming straight back until it's in the middle of these rear tires. On the next block up, a polished blackstone slab on the side here. Then a double slab and another single slab on this side to make the axle. We'll do the same thing here. So a polished blackstone slab on the side, then a double slab and another single slab on this side. Then we'll take out a lime shulker box facing sideways here and here in the center of these tires, and then same thing on this side. Then 2 blackstone blocks on either side of the shulker boxes for each tire. Then we'll take out blackstone stairs again, right side up this time facing forward here and here, and here and here. Then we'll turn around to go the other way on the back of the tires, so here and here. And of course we'll do the front tires as well, so here and here. Then fill the gaps on top with 2 blackstone blocks. Same thing back here. Then we'll put a single prismarine wall on top of this center block here on the center of the axle, and same thing on the front one. Then on either side of those walls we'll put an iron bar, and then same thing back here. Next we're going to take out warped trapdoors, and in between these wheels on the upper hitbox of the second block, 3 trapdoors coming across. You'll have to crouch to place them. Then we'll come up here and do the same thing. So it's going to be on the upper hitbox of the second block up. I missed the slab there, so I replaced it. So 3 trapdoors across here. Then we'll come stand on top of this tire so we can crouch and put a vertical iron bar on each side of those trapdoors. And same thing back here as well. Then we're going to come up here and crouch, put a block of netherite on the center iron trapdoor. We're standing on the rear end, so coming towards the back, we're going to put 2 observers on top, and then a hopper. In front of this, on the upper hitbox, we're going to put 2 waxed, weathered cut copper slabs. You could also use warp slabs. Now take out a warp fence and put 1 on top of this prismarine wall and 1 coming backwards. Then switch to waxed weathered cut copper stairs, upside down facing backwards here on either side of it, and then upside down facing forward here and here. And that's the rear end of the truck. Then we're going to take warp fences along the edge of this and run a full line over here. And then same thing on this side, start right here and run a full line to the back. Then, in front of those stairs on top on each side, we're going to take out lime concrete and bring 3 lime concrete forward on each side. Come down on the side here, and on the block behind the netherite under this fence, put a stone brick wall. Then an upward facing lever on the side of the netherite. Do the same thing on this side, so a lever on the netherite and a stone brick wall behind it. Then in front of the lime concrete, a polished blackstone block on either side, then an upside down forward facing polished blackstone stair, then a waxed weathered cut copper slab on either side, and then we have to get an upside down backward facing wax weathered cut copper stair on either side, like that. So it makes like the fenders. Then we're going to put 3 polished blackstone slabs across this front middle, aligned with it here. Then above those, 3 smooth quartz slabs, and a polished blackstone slab on either side of the back of that section, so it makes a T shape. In here, we're going to open a dark oak fence gate for the steering wheel, turn around and put another brick stair in for the seat. Then across here, 3 black stained glass blocks and a black stained glass pane behind it on either side. Then, behind these side windows, we're going to put 2 purple concrete coming back on both sides. Then, a double polished blackstone slab on either side, and then a polished blackstone stair facing backward on either side. Then starting up here on top of the back, we're going to make this square shape of polished blackstone slabs with a smooth quartz slab in the center. Then 1 polished blackstone slab coming off the front middle, and a wax weathered cut copper slab on either side of it. Then we'll put 3 lime carpet across the top of the windshield, switch to black carpet here and here, and a lime carpet here and here. So it looks like that. Behind this side window, we're going to put on a skeleton skull, and then 2 crimson signs going backwards. And we'll do the same thing over here. So a skeleton skull here, and 2 crimson signs going backwards. Then we're going to put a temporary block around this polished blackstone like that, so we can get a small painting in there. And we have to cycle through till we get the right painting here. That's the one we want. So it's mostly white to represent where the skull is. Then we'll have to do the same thing over here, put the temporary blocks on in this pattern, and then cycle through the paintings on this side till we get that same painting. There we go. Then we take off the temporary blocks. Then we'll come up front here with a glow item frame, put 1 on each side with redstone in them because this thing has red headlights. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Gravedigger monster truck. Something a little bit different today, but since interest was shown in it, I hope that someone will enjoy this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.